Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Google Pixel 10. Alright, so the process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So all we need to do to reboot this device is to launch the power menu first, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. Just like that. Now as you can see, the power menu appears and now simply tap on the restart. As you can see, this screen turned off, and within a few seconds the device will turn on and it will be again ready to use. Also, I will tell you that performing a simple reboot from time to time is good for your device health, because during that process we can say that the phone rests, the processes that are running in the background are being closed, and it also frees up some RAM. Thanks to that, our device might start working a little bit faster and better. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.